Salesforce PD1 certification dumps. 53. Universal Containers wants to back up all of the data and attachments in its Salesforce org once a month. Which approach should a developer use to meet this requirement? A. Schedule a report. B. Use the data loader command line. C. Create a Schedulable Apex class. D. Define a data export scheduled job. Answer. D. Define a data export scheduled job. (54) A developer has the following requirements. Calculate the total amount on an order. Calculate the line amount for each line item based on quantity selected and price. Move line items to a different order if a line item is not in stock. Which relationship implementation supports these requirements on its own? A. Order has a reparentable lookup field to line item. B. Line item has a reparentable lookup field to order. C. Line item has a reparentable master detail field to order. D. Order has a reparentable master detail field to line item. Answer. C. Line item has a reparentable master detail field to order. 55. Universal Containers decides to use exclusively declarative development to build out a new Salesforce application. Which three options should be used to build out the database layer for the application? Choose three answers. A. Flows. B. Roll-up summaries. C. Custom objects and fields. D. Relationships. E. Triggers. Answers. A. Flows. B. Roll-up summaries. D. Relationships. 56. A developer completed modifications to a customized feature that is comprised of two elements, Apex Trigger Handler Apex class. What are two factors that the developer must take into account to properly deploy the modification to the production environment? Choose two answers. A. Test methods must be declared with the test method keyword. B. Apex classes must have at least 75% code coverage org-wide. C. All methods in the test classes must use ISIST. D. At least one line of code must be executed for the Apex trigger. Answers. B. Apex classes must have at least 75% code coverage org-wide. D. At least one line of code must be executed for the Apex trigger. 57. Universal Containers, UC, wants to lower its shipping cost while making the shipping process more efficient. The distribution officer advises UC to implement global addresses to allow multiple accounts to share a default pickup address. The developer is tasked to create the supporting object and relationship for this business requirement and uses the setup menu to create a custom object called global address. Which field should the developer add to create the most efficient model that supports the business need? A. Add a lookup field on the account object to the global address object. B. Add a lookup field on the global address object to the account object. C. Add a master detail field on the global address object to the account object. D. Add a master detail field on the account object to the global address object. Answer. A. Add a lookup field on the account object to the global address object. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.